Right, we're here at Kimball. And this brick wall here, retaining wall, this needs to be replaced. There was a tree here at one point, as you can see, it fell. This is the right side of the house. Carport, this thing's about to collapse. You can see underneath. But we've got some dirt dog. There. So that's been removed. We'll walk around here to the side. We tarped the roof where the tree in the front, which I'll show you in a few minutes. Excuse me, this retaining wall in the back. You can see how it's a curved. Come up these stairs, it's all vines now, but in kudzu, but you do have a lawn, and then behind it is just open land. So it's quite private back here. Oh, let me mention this as well. Let's see, this patio's another problem. Tree. We had this installed, or the tree fell, excuse me. And the roof right here. There's a massive gaping hole here that we had tarped. That's your left side. Well, then we're gonna walk inside. All right, as we walk on the inside, you can see that the floors need to be refinished. They're in pretty bad shape. We're gonna turn left, go into the front room living area. As you can see, there's quite a lot of sheetrock damage. So it swings around. Got some there as well. Same thing. Like I said, throughout the house, you're gonna have to replace all the flooring. That's pretty decent shape. Not too. This is going to be bedroom 2. All right, leading into the kitchen. As you can see, these cabinets, they're probably going to have to be replaced at this point. White stove, appliances. But this floor is sloping this way. You can see I've put my foot in. As you can see, the subfloors. And as we come around to the first bedroom, same thing. This room has vinyl. Door needs to be replaced, closet door. And as we look into the shower, you can see it's got a lot of stains and gunk all in it. So these things are totally bad now. With the old school lights, all that stuff will have to be replaced. Cabinets will have to be replaced. Tiles need to be replaced. This is the shower for Jack and Jill. In second half of it, going into same thing. Floors just need to be refinished. Or door stains. Double more holes. This is bedroom 4. There's a piece of sheetrock damage right here where he punched it in or kicked it up. Those are mechanicals. As we pan around, you can see we've got some water intrusion coming in on this left side of the garage from the inside of it. That's a big issue that we would definitely have to attain to. As we look at the ceiling, it doesn't look, you got some damage.